Hello, I'm Eden Botha, the owner of Aarde. Today we're making a Backuchiol oily serum. What is the benefits of an oily serum? Firstly, you don't have to test the pH, and secondly, you don't need to add preservatives as there's no water present in the formulation. The equipment that you need is a double-digit scale. You need a container to mix your serum in. You need your pipettes. You need a utensil to mix it, and you need a 20 milliliter serum pump bottle or a serum bottle. We're going to make 24 grams of Backuchiol oily serum. Let's start. Write out all the ingredients that we're going to use, but don't worry, I've added the formulation into the description below. The base oils I'm using is fractionated coconut oil, sweet almond oil, and jojoba oil. The additives that we're using today is Backuchiol, which is an alternative to vitamin A or retinol and is less irritant to the skin. I'm adding the Dimethethicone 350 CPS also for viscosity. We are adding tocopherol, or you can call it a mixed vitamin E oil, which is an antioxidant, and it assists in keeping the oil fresher for longer. And then you can add a fragrance oil or an essential oil. So we're going to mix all these ingredients together, and then we're going to add it to the serum bottle. This is the fractionated coconut oil. I'm adding the almond oil, adding the jojoba oil. You can stir the oil so that they mix well together. And I'm going to add the Backuchiol, the Dimethethicone. You can give that a good stir again. Now comes the vitamin E oil. And I'm using Yang Yang essential oils. Like I said, you can also use fractionated. You can use your own fragrance oil, sorry about that. And the serum is done. I'm going to add it to the bottle. At the pump. And you made your own Backuchiol oily serum. Our company is situated in Gauteng, South Africa. We are running workshops monthly on how to make your own bath and body products, how to make your own skincare products, or how to make hyperpigmentation skincare products. If you want to contact us, please visit our website www.admire-aarde.com or email us at admireearthskin@gmail.com. All these ingredients we did purchase it from our local small cosmetic suppliers. If you need any information on the serum made, please just write us a mail. Thank you so much for watching.